So hey guys, this is part 2 for us, but you guys are saying you're gonna see this in the same video. So we have the actual projector itself. Again, we're gonna take this last, talk about this last because last for best. So we have the 2 chargers here. It looks like a pretty thick charger, and by the looks of it and the feel of it, it's very sturdy. And I don't think we're gonna have any problems with loose connection or anything yet. We might give you an update later in the future. And we have a standard 3-eyed power brick connector, and then we have our standard outlet plug. And this side has the again, very sturdy, and I like it's not too heavy, and it's a pretty good distance. Just this part itself is a very good distance, and then this side as well, we have a really good length. So it's perfect for those who want to connect it far from the plug. Since this projector only has like a 1 hour time limit without the charger if it's at max charge. But for those who want to watch like movies or something, putting a charger in would be best. And since it's long, you can connect it to an outlet and watch comfortably. Those who don't like wires, unfortunately, it can only last for 1 hour. So I don't recommend getting this if you're a type of person who doesn't like wires. And moving on to the remote. Very standard TV remote. We have the LG logo here, the colors, and just standard remote stuff. We have a keypad as well. I think it's a standard LG type setup, and I don't think there's anything else that we can say about this. It's very clean and very perfectly edged. It's made in China. Funny. So that's basically the remote. Very stylish. I like the look. Moving on to the actual projector itself. Let's look here. So we have the, if you guys can see this right now, it's a focus. So this basically adjusts the focus of the actual projector itself. We have the on button and a few arrow buttons. I don't know why they would give that because we already have a remote with that. I don't think the remote comes with batteries, by the way. Yeah, and it requires 2 AAA batteries. So make sure you guys have that before you buy this, because it does not come with the batteries. Oh, and another thing, it does not come with an HDMI cable itself. So you guys will have to get that too. Still very stylish. Then you look on the back, the LG logo, very sweet there. Unfortunately, they didn't put colors. I would like that. We do have just the standard thing. We have 2 on switches, so you'll have to on it here as well. And you'll have to on it here as well, I think. I'm not very sure about that. And we have this interesting button sort of thing. You can't push it. I think it might be just a symbol of it being on and charged or something. We have 2 HDMI plugs, HDMI 1 and HDMI 2. We have a headphone jack, which is nothing. I've never seen a headphone jack on a projector. So it's perfect if you just want to watch a movie solo, listen to music solo, or if the projector doesn't give enough sound, we haven't tested that yet, then you can just connect some speakers with the headphone jack. And most speakers these days have headphone jacks. And then we have a USB type A, I think. I don't know my USB types. And we have Ethernet. We have the power charger thing. The USB type C. And I do not know what this is. Comment down below what you guys think this is. And then we also have another thing that I do not know. I'm not the best with.
That is if you want to connect antenna directly to the.
Oh, okay. TV. So my cameraman's telling me that this is for the antenna, and yeah, and yeah, we have a caution sticker. That's pretty much it. We're gonna hook it up and then fast forward to that. So see ya.